This is Premiere Pro 2019. Let's see how to show the video scopes, for example the RGB parade. So to show it, go here to Window and Lumetri Scopes. Window Lumetri Scopes. Okay, and here we have it. You can right click on this one and select RGB parade. Okay, you can disable, let's see, the left one by unchecking the waveform. And that's about it. You can use this window, you can integrate it into one of these panels by dragging it from the text itself, and wherever you are releasing it, there it's integrated. Okay, so it's here. You can remove it from here by holding down the Ctrl key and then drag it. And let's preview it. So what you see here is represented here, but it's broken down into 3 colors. The top portion is clipping, so it's losing data, and the lower portion is lacking darker colors. And using this one, you can use this one to make color adjustments. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.